Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we'll see how to change the auto water shut off valve of your washing machine. So firstly switch off your washing machine and remove the plug from the wall socket, and then you'll see for this LG washing machine you'll see two screws on the top panel, one on the right side which I'm removing right now, and there's one on the left side over here. So this is a normal Phillips head screw. So you just need to remove these two screws and the whole panel will come off. Next, shut off the main water valve and remove the inlet connection from the back. Once this is done, you can use two hands or one hand just to pull up the top panel. Once this is off, you will see that there is a connection to the valve which is blue in color. The socket is blue in color. You can just remove this first, and then all you need to do is you need to twist the valve to the 12 o'clock position like this and then remove it. It's a pretty easy step. Most of the time it will be loose. Even if it's tight, just use a little more force or a screwdriver to pry it a little bit and then you can get it out. So this is the new valve that I have bought from Amazon. It's about 300 rupees. I'll put this link in the description below in case you want to buy it. So this, I think this is used in most of the washing machines. This is the LG washing machine. So we'll just go ahead and change it. So this already came with a strainer, but but I've put another strainer over here just to be safe and for easy cleaning. So now all you need to do is push in this into the L connector over here, and then just place it the same way it was earlier. In case your connectors are bent a little bit, just make it straight before you put in the plug, otherwise you'll not be able to plug it in. So once that's done, just read out the wire properly, and before you put the top panel back, just make sure that it is working. In case it's not working, just remove it and get it exchanged from wherever you purchased it. Once that's tight, switch on the water connection. Once that's on, switch on the washing machine. Guys, always wear slippers when you're doing this, because in case there is any connection like short circuit or something, you will be safe. Switch on the washing machine. As the water is already on, just switch on the play button and see if the water is flowing properly, and if it stops when you switch the when you press the pause button. So now that it's working, let's just see if it stops. So that's working perfectly. Give this video a like if this helped you. Thanks.